Hi, welcome back to Python tutorial. Today I am going to show the just implementation of the GAM, or you can say project, small project, with the help of tkinter. That is called RPS GAM. That is like this: rock, paper, and scissor GAM. So the GAM, what you can do, we can this is a two-player GAM, traditional GAM. What you can do with the help of tkinter, we can download the GAM, and where we can you are the user, we can play with comfortably. You can either use the pygam or any method. Today I'm going to implement through with the help of tkinter only. So here what you can do, first of all, here to install the packages where you can give from tkinter, then we can continue import t end up like that, and root we can create the root, the title called rock paper session gam. So once you play exactly what will happen, the score will be increased at 1, and again if we win continuously it will 2 3 and consequently, otherwise the score won't be there. Computer won't means you get a loss. That means you never get any score. Just idle play. So here you can play where you can set the root geometry sizes. Then initially the player score will be 0. Even computer score will be 0 only. Then I go to give the options like rock 0, paper 1, and scissors 2, scissors 2 like that. Then I give the label, the name called RPS game shortly. Then I'm going to call the function called player choice player input, where we can give a user, we can give the input computer underscore input is equal to get underscore computer choice like that. Then we can give you are selected like that. If at all you are selected and then computer selected. If you are selected correctly, what will happen? It check the condition and the value will be increased 1. Again, if you want continuously, it will the value will be 2, or else become tie also, tie also. So we are give the conditions for implementation of RPS cam. Then we give else computer score plus equal to 1, condition fails, computer 1 like that. Then by default will print the computer score, your score. Then we can call the computer choice button, sorry, function. Then we can call winner label, where you can give the color set like a green, background color, font size, and so on. Or if you want, you can change anything. Then I'm going to give input frame, where I give the color as like this. Then BG and pack I'm using. Then I'm going to use the button for rock and paper and scissor, because once executed, what will happen? The user can select the button. So once you select the correct button, again repeating, the computer will display your own. Again correct means it will say own, otherwise tie or it's a computer own like that. So this is a game where we can't predict whether you win or system will win like that. Let them try. Then display score and player choice, you can give the code like this, simple and easy. Then give computer choice label you can create based on the convenient. At last you can complete with root.main. Just execute it. So once executed, what will happen? So like this showing. So just press the rock. It is a tie only. I am pressing paper now. Tie. Scissor I am tying. Yeah, I am the person won. I have score of 5 now. Sorry, my score is 5 like that. Again I am saying tie. Again I am trying. No. Again trying pi. Won. Rock I am trying tie. Again trying won. So like this, you can comfortably play with the computer as long you want. This is the one where you can play two-player game. You can play with system. Once you correct, you predict correctly, you say yes. Gradually increase, otherwise not. Yeah, like this. See, score is insert. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.